Hey guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. And today I don't have anything on the mill. This isn't a milling video. This is a thank you video. This morning I woke up and I looked at my subscribership and we were up well over 1,000, and I didn't think that would ever happen. When I first started out making these videos, I remember the first day I got to 50 subscribers. I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. Then 100. And my goal wasn't never to necessarily build up a big subscribership, but just kind of pass along the things I've been finding about my Frontier sawmill, and some projects I've been doing. And you guys all just started jumping on. So I can't thank you enough. So many of you comment. There's too many of you to thank. But if I started thanking you guys, I would miss out on a few of you. But 1,000 we hit, so I don't know where we're going from here. I'm going to keep doing these. Evidently, you guys seem to enjoy them. I enjoy doing it. You know, one of the fun things about this, having a camera out here, I always feel like I'm sitting amongst friends. When I first started doing it, you know, you're awkward. And there's times I'm still feeling awkward. I'm just talking to the trees, the sawmill. I'm talking to the sawmill. But now it feels like I have people sitting next to me and I'm talking to you guys. You know, I'm talking to friends, and that's how I feel about this. It feels like I have a bunch of new friends. It's really cool that this has happened. So we'll see where this channel goes from here. But, you know, my family and I, we just enjoy giving back, and hopefully some of these videos will help you decide whether you want a Frontier sawmill or do any of the projects I like to do, or just like to watch a guy hurting himself and taking care of business on a sawmill. So guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the comments and all the positive feedback, the likes, you know, even the great constructive criticism. I enjoy, you know, anything. At the very beginning of this, you know, there's so much to learn, and I'm still learning just about daily, whether it's on a sawmill or making these videos. So I can't thank you enough for all the comments you guys have given me. So take care, guys, and I'll see you at the sawmill next time. Have a great day. We did it.